Let us discuss how to create an Amazon account. So, firstly, this is the URL. This is the URL aws.amazon.com. So, when we click on this URL, we will go into the website aws.amazon.com. So, this is how the page looks like when you enter this website name aws.amazon.com. So, suppose if you want to create a new account, see you have an option here. You have an option here like create an AWS account. So please click on that. So once we click on that, it will ask for some basic details. Firstly, we must have email address. We must have an email account. So if you have an email account, we can give that email address here. So I'm just giving my email ID. So I'm just entering my email ID. Once the email ID is given, then you can give your account name. So whatever the name we give here, so that will be displayed on that will be shown on the Amazon account. So for my sake, I'm giving like this is the name I'm giving. Vamsi Krishna. This is the name I'm giving here. So the next step is like it will ask for verifying the email address. So please click on that, and it is asking for some verification code. So for that purpose, we need to log in into our we need to log in into our Gmail account, and there verification account will be there. So verification code will be there. So please get that verification code by logging into that. Like I'm just entering into my mail account. Yes, I'm just entered my email ID and password here. So I'm just logging into my Gmail account. So since it is verifying my email address, I'll get one verification code here. I'm just copying this verification code and I'm pasting it here. So and click on verify. So it will show a message like it's you. Your email address has been successfully verified and all. So now you can keep a password for your AWS account. So there might be password restrictions like uppercase letters, lowercase letters like that. So it is showing here passwords must be at least 8 characters long, and it must contain at least three of the following: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers. So your password must be a combination of at least three of the given things here. So similarly, confirm the password which you have given and click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will ask for some basic details like your full name. I'm giving my full name and I'm giving my mobile number, all these things here. Then you select your country here, like yes, selected the country, address, all the details like asking my state name and postal code. Please enter all the basic details and confirm here for the terms and conditions, for accepting the terms and conditions, and just click on continue. Once you click on continue, um, you'll be going to the next page here. See here, we have not selected one of the options here. How do you plan to use AWS? Generally, people create AWS accounts for personal purpose and business purposes. Generally, we are creating account for personal purpose. So please click on personal. Okay. If it is for the sake of business, we can go with the business account. Since it is for the personal purpose, we are going with the personal option only. And the most important thing here is that it will ask for a credit card or debit card details. So only the thing is that it will accept only few things. See here, AWS accepts. They have clearly mentioned. So AWS accepts all the credit cards and major credit cards and debit cards. But the thing is that better you can see here, it is accepting Visa cards. Actually, it is accepting Visa cards and Master. I think. Visa cards and Master cards only. So better if you have Visa debit card or credit cards or Master debit cards and credit cards, please try with them. So please enter those details. If you have your credit card and debit card details, please use those things. So I'm just entering the details here for my sake. Like so, please enter all the details, credit card details. So it will ask for then expiry date and all. So since it is a since we need to enter these details with lots of privacy, please keep in mind that maintain privacy for this. Right. So I'm entering all my card details here. As I have entered all my details here, then it is asking what is our billing address and all. So suppose if you have a PAN card, it is asking whether you have PAN card or not. So as of now, please click on no, and then just verify your account. So please verify your account. So immediately what happens is that only 2 rupees will be debited. Only 2 rupees will be debited from your account. See, that is for verification purpose. The that 2 rupees will also be credited. That will also be reverted back to your account after 24 hours, I think. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get the 2 rupees also. So this is see the 2 rupees they are deducting from your account. That is only for the sake of verification, and they are not going to charge anything more than that from your account. So please enter the details and submit here. So once you confirm these details, an account will be created for an account will be created. So after that, here what we are doing, it is asking for some identity. So a text message and country name. Please select country name. This mobile number I am giving here. It is asking. So enter the captcha carefully. Like just I'm entering all the details. So I'll get one verification code to my mobile. So that verification code I am entering now. Yes, I have entered that verification number. So now you see, once you give those details and all, it is asking before you sign in into AWS account, it is asking for the support plan. So always, if you are going for trial basis, if you are going to do practice some of the services in the AWS cloud and all, please select the basic plan. Okay, don't go for the developer support and business support because they are going to charge for something per month. So please select basic support and just click on complete sign up so that your AWS account will be created. So you'll get a message like thank you for signing up into the AWS like that. So we are activating your account, and they're clearly mentioning that it will take a few minutes. Okay, immediately sometimes you'll not get the console. Okay, anyhow we will click on this go to the AWS management console, but sometimes even the activation process will take a few minutes. So you have to wait for a few minutes. Sometimes you have to wait for half an hour or 1 hour also. So I'm just clicking on go to AWS console. Yes, here, and I'm clicking once again. I'm clicking on sign into the console here. So yes, I'm again entering. I'm logging into my account by giving the mail ID. And you see, before you enter into this AWS account, one thing you must observe carefully. When you click on sign in into the console, you see here you have two options here. Okay, while you sign in into the account, AWS account, you have two options. One is root user, other one is IAM user. IAM stands for identity and access management. Okay, so what is this IAM user? All these things we will discuss later. But as of now, so while you sign in into your account, you have to choose root user. So this is for IAM users, like when some 20 people are working on the AWS cloud, like there will be only one root user. Okay, all the 20 people cannot log in by using the root user credentials. So they have their individual accounts. Okay, they will be having some. They will be having their unique credentials like IAM users, identity and access management. Okay, so only one root user will be there. So since it is your account, please go with the credentials. Okay, please go with the root user. So just you click on root user and click on next. Not IAM user. We are not selecting IAM user. Don't select IAM user. Please click on root user. Okay, while you log in into the AWS account, root user, and give your email ID, and then enter the password which you have provided. Right. So I have entered my password, and see now I am going to log in into my AWS account. Okay. As you see here, recently we have not visited any services. So if you want to see what are all the services available, click on the services tab, services button here, so that it will show all the services that are available in the AWS cloud. That's all. We have successfully created an account in the AWS, right? So this is how we will create an account in the AWS.